baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers, girl, you make the flowers, girl, you make the stars.
Hi everyone, it's me Gian and welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. Mag-a-unbox ako ng mga binili ko sa Shoppee para sa pagpinta for painting. Apparently, I wasn't recording because my cam overheated again. So my cam overheated and it just stopped recording, and I've opened up everything, so hindi na siya unboxing. This is gonna be a reveal instead. Yeah, so let me walk you through what I bought for my painting vacation. Yeah, magpipaint lang ako for this vacation. That's the main goal. So let's begin. This is the set of acrylic brushes I bought. So we've got the flat brushes, the liners, filberts, rounds. So these are my acrylic brushes kasi luma na yung sa akin. And then I bought the Mont pouring acrylic paint. This is in Aurora, and the colors for this is this one. Tingnan nyo. We got Shiraz, hot pink, ultramarine blue, at saka mint green. And then I got the rainforest set, and this one naman has coral, light aquamarine, dark green, and lamp black. No. Then ito is in flamingo, and I think it has a little gold paint in it. Yep. So we got pink, phthalo turquoise, then rose gold. Then I also got this just because it's so nice. This is the pastel set by Art Rangers, and yung colors for this set is here: pastel yellow, pastel orange, pastel pink, pastel red, pastel blue, pastel purple, pastel green, and pastel gray. Then I got this 48 tube, 36 ml tube from Mont. So you could see it's all the colors of the rainbow. So yan, di na ako mag-iisip, but I think I don't have black, and I like black for lining things. So I think I will just buy black locally. Then I have this black gesso. So gesso, ano siya, medyo matte, and I'm just gonna put it as a background. Usually if you have this naka-gesso na to, naka-prep na, but I don't really like white for my paintings. I was thinking I'll be using black as background instead to make my colors pop this time, and I'm gonna be making a series. So yeah, I don't know why they gave me two. Baka in order ko dalawa, I'm not sure. Let's see, I have 5 canvases. Yes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one. Ganito siya kalapad, guys. Yeah. So that's my Shoppee painting haul. So my phone shut down again, and this time around it's because wala na akong storage, but thank you guys for dropping in, and please like, share, and subscribe. And maybe I'm gonna do a time-lapse video of me painting. Thank you for your support, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.